You are welcome to SCHOOL2 comedy. I am your principal. Fuck up and keep up.
Give Iya for me. Use 1,000 to buy fuel. Don't stay long, go.
Okay, I should give Iya for me inside.
Give Iya for me, then use 1,000 for fuel. Start going now, start going. Don't waste my time.
If you follow SCHOOL2 comedy, my brother, you yourself what you like. Follow SCHOOL2 comedy, oh. Follow SCHOOL2 comedy, oh. When you forget your sorrow. Listen, for inside SCHOOL2, many things they happen, many things never.
I hear me, buy me.
$40 now?
Who tell you say dollar, did you?
The dollar that I've already seen, I want to come and pick it. You are stepping on it.
See, let me tell you what will happen. I didn't know you saw it. You're a sharp man, no? You are sharp. Don't worry, let me settle you. I want to take the dollar home.
You want to settle me? Yeah. I know the value of dollar.
I know, wait. All these people that used to do gra. In fact, take everything in my hand, take. Everything.
How much is here?
5,000. Everything is 5,000. I want to go and change this dollar now.
It's because of you. Dollar is 6,000 something now.
It's even good because when I take this money home now,
you go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say na jazz. You know they too for time.
Honey, baby, I told you that one day I will surprise you. Baby, come.
Surprise me.
Come here.
You want to surprise me?
Yes, come. Let's go to this side. I don't want my neighbors to hear what I want to tell you. So, you sent me to go and give Iya for me 4,000. Buy fuel 1,000. But as I was going, I saw dollar on the road. So me and the guy that saw the dollar, we were now dragging it. And I said, no, I saw it first, that I will take the dollar home and go and show my wife. So he now said, we'll share it. And I said, no. And I gave him the whole 5,000 you gave me. I gave it to him.
The 5,000?
Yes. So
you will end up in McDonald's.
You will go and share. You will go to
Students, they teach teachers. They know some people cool inside preschool.
I told you that our year have changed. Everything have changed for us. Stay there now.
Is this the dollar?
Yes, now this is the dollar I saw when I was going to that place.
This thing is label now. Label for clothes, label. See it now. It's label.
Jesus!
What is label?
Label for clothes now. It comes for clothes. See it. It's not dollar.
So it's not even dollar.
Hey!
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
I thought that it was dollar because when I saw it, the thing was looking like dollar.
You thought. You gave out my 5K and came home with this. I came home with this rubbish. Go and get my 5K for me. Go and get my 5K for me.
I will bring.
Look at this useless man.